Hi, my name is Linda. I'm 47 years old, and today I want to share my real experience with LeanBiome. If you've been struggling with stubborn weight gain, bloating, slow metabolism, or that frustrating feeling that no matter what you do, the scale just won't move, stay with me, because what I'm about to share could be the turning point for your health and confidence. For years, I tried diets, workouts, and even skipping meals. But nothing worked. My belly stayed bloated, my energy was low, and I felt trapped in a body that didn't reflect who I really was. It wasn't just physical. It broke my self-esteem, affected my social life, and left me feeling hopeless. If any of this sounds familiar, I know exactly how you feel. Everything started to change when I discovered LeanBiome. What really caught my attention is that it's a 100% natural weight loss formula designed to target the root cause of stubborn fat, an imbalanced gut microbiome. The blend combines clinically researched probiotics like Lactobacillus gasseri, Green Select Phytosome green tea extract, and 9 other powerful strains, which together help improve gut health, reduce cravings, boost metabolism, and burn fat naturally. And I wasn't afraid to try it because LeanBiome is made in FDA-registered facilities, with GMP certification and a non-GMO formula. That gave me real confidence when I placed my order. But does LeanBiome really work? Yes. In the first weeks, I noticed less bloating and a lighter digestion. With consistent use, the scale finally started to move, my clothes fit better, and I had more energy throughout the day. The best part? I wasn't starving myself or following crazy diets. My body was finally working with me, not against me. How long does it take to see results? Some people notice improvements within the first few weeks, but the best scenario is to stay consistent for 3 to 6 months. That's the window that really allows your microbiome to reset, speed up metabolism, and deliver long-lasting weight loss benefits. One moment that stood out for me was when a friend told me, "You look amazing, what are you doing?" That simple comment made me realize how much LeanBiome was changing not just my body, but my confidence too. If you decide to give it a try, I highly recommend getting at least 3 to 6 bottles so you can stay consistent and give your body the time it needs to fully reset and thrive. Another thing that gave me peace of mind is the 180-day money-back guarantee. If you don't notice results or you're not satisfied for any reason, you can request a refund with no hassle. That made me feel completely safe giving it a shot. I want to make it clear, I wasn't paid to record this video, and I don't usually share this kind of content. But I chose to tell my story because I know how life-changing it is to finally lose weight without feeling miserable, and I believe it could help anyone who feels stuck the way I did. I also have 2 very important warnings, so pay close attention. The first thing you need to know is that LeanBiome is not sold on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. They are not authorized to sell it, and buying there puts you at risk of receiving a fake version. The second is that LeanBiome is only sold through its official website, directly from the manufacturer. To make it easier, I left the link to the official website right below in the description of this video. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that LeanBiome helps you as much as it has helped thousands of other women. When you start your treatment, come back here and share your experience. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to finally take action.